Public speaking can be daunting. Yes. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 basics of public speaking to help you conquer your first presentation or speech in public. Let's get started. I'm going to share with you the 7 public speaking tips, starting with what's bad, then what's good, in a fun way. Do share with me which point helps you the most in the comment section below. The first point, message. By the end of the presentation, if the audience didn't get the key message, it means their precious time is wasted. When crafting our speech, take the attention off ourselves and put it on our audience. Think of what can the audience gain from our presentation. What's the takeaway? What's the call to action? Every speech must have a purpose. So revolve our content around the core message. Secondly, structure. No one likes a messy room. It's the same as the presentation. Disorganized content and rambling will make it difficult for our audience to follow and will lead to confusion. Have an orderly structure, easier to be understood and follow. Open with attention getter and introduction, followed by the body. Point 1, 2, 3. Make them flow smoothly. And lastly, conclude with a summary of your points, call to action and emphasis of our message. Third point, stance and gestures. Due to nervousness, we may sway left and right without purpose. It's very distracting and hypnotizing to the audience. Besides, slouching makes us look weak. Stand straight and chest up to appear confident. Anchor ourselves firmly at one point at a time. Movement helps us to have stage presence, but every movement must have a purpose. Don't forget to use gestures with our hands to express, illustrate, describe, and compare. Fourth area, eye contact. Looking upward or fixing eyes on the floor will break the connection between the speaker and the audience. Is the speaker insincere, shy, and anxious? Having eye contact is a powerful way to build connection with the audience. Look directly at a person until we finish a thought, then move on to another person. Alternatively, make the eye contact at a span we are comfortable with. Don't forget to cover the whole audience. Next point, vocal. When we are mumbling, the audience cannot hear us clearly. We will lose the attention of the audience immediately. Those fillers like can make us sound uncertain and unprofessional. Always make sure we are loud enough for every audience to hear us clearly. Aim the last person at the back of the room and project our voice towards him or her. In addition, practice not using fillers when speaking too. 6th point, slide. Many presenters tend to stuff their slides with words and information. Consequently, the slide looks very complicated, and some speakers love to block the projection as well. PowerPoint is a visual aid. It's meant to support the speaker, not the other way around. Keep the slide simple and clear. Remember to avoid blocking the slide and turn it off when necessary to have the attention on us. Lastly, appearance. Untidy outfit and underdressing give bad first impression. We will lose credibility too. Dress properly for the occasion. Tidy up yourself to leave a good impression. When we look pleasing, our presentation will definitely sound more pleasing to the audience too. Here is the 7 key areas you need to take note when delivering your speech or presentation. If you can take care of all this, I guarantee you your presentation or speech will go well. Let me know in the comment section below which point helps you the most. One last magic trick to help you conquer any presentation is none other than practice, practice, and practice. It helps you to get prepared, calm your nerves, and gain confidence. Good luck to all your presentation and speeches. Thank you so much for watching, and click here to subscribe for more public speaking tips and click here for more videos. Let's be effective communicator together. See you in the next video.